Story 11. Mom Finally Saw Me.
Mom said she would come. I waited for Mom for a long time. I just wanted Mom to see my drawing. Maybe this drawing is not important to Mom. I wish Mom was proud of me too. I wish Mom saw me too.
This is my family. I drew Dad, Mom, Lucy, and me under a big tree. In my picture, Mom is smiling at me. I worked very hard on this drawing. I want Mom to see how happy we look together. Maybe she will feel proud of me today. Mom, look at my drawing.
1 minute, Luka.
Mom, do I look pretty?
You look beautiful, Lucy.
I want pink ribbons today.
Of course, sweetheart.
Mom, can you look now?
Oh no, it is 5 o'clock already. We are late, Luka. I will look at your drawing later.
Okay.
And finally, Snow White was safe, happy, and loved. Now close your eyes, Lucy, and have sweet dreams.
Luka lay alone in his room and looked at the dark ceiling.
Mom, I have a dance show at school today.
That sounds wonderful, Lucy.
Mom, my drawing is on the art wall today.
Really, Luka?
Yes, there is an art exhibition at school.
Luka's drawing is very nice.
Can you come and see it, Mom?
Of course. I will come for both of you.
You will watch my dance too?
Yes, Lucy.
And you will see my drawing?
Yes, Luka. I promise.
Wait for me. Come on, let's go play tag. I want to play too.
Luka, this is wonderful.
Really?
Yes, you used beautiful colors. Your family looks very happy. Your mom will be proud.
I hope she comes. Why hasn't Mom come yet?
Mom, did you see me dance?
Yes, sweetheart. You danced beautifully.
Did you clap for me?
Of course. I clapped the loudest.
I saw you.
I am so proud of you.
Luka, why are you so quiet? I'm just tired.
Luka, how was your drawing today?
It was okay.
I am sorry I missed it. Lucy's dance was the last show, so I had to wait until the end.
Okay, Mom.
I still should have come to see your drawing.
Okay, Mom. Mom said she would come. I waited for Mom for a long time. I just wanted Mom to see my drawing. Maybe this drawing is not important to Mom. I wish Mom was proud of me too. I wish Mom saw me too.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Lucy.
Good morning, Luka.
Good morning, Luka. Mom, can Luka have the first pancake today?
Why?
Because he was sad yesterday. I'm fine. No, you're not.
Luka, are you sad?
It's nothing. Mom, you missed his art wall.
I know. I said I was sorry.
But you always come to my things. You cheer for me. You take pictures of me. You help me choose clothes. But Luka waits a lot.
Lucy, stop!
No. Mom needs to know.
I need to get ready for school.
Mom, I love when you come for me. But Luka needs you too.
You are right, Lucy.
Luka, why are you so quiet? Are you mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you. I'm sorry I told Mom. I didn't want to make you feel worse. I just don't know what to say. And I tried to hide it for a long time. But you don't have to hide it anymore. I want Mom to know that you need her too. I don't want Mom to think I am selfish. You are not selfish. You just want things to be fair. I want that too.
Thank you, Lucy. I'm just a little sad.
It's okay. Today, I will walk beside you.
But you always come to my things.
You cheer for me. You take pictures of me. You help me choose clothes. What is this?
Luka won first place in chess?
Luka has so many prizes. Chess, football, reading, art. And I did not even know. He did so many wonderful things. This is Luka's writing. Today I got a prize, but Mom did not come. I looked for Mom, but I only saw other parents. I won, but it did not feel happy because I was alone. He looked for me in the crowd. He won, but he still felt alone. Every prize was a moment he waited for me. Oh, Luka, you carried this sadness alone. I missed too many moments of his life. He did not need the biggest prize. He only needed me to be there. I am sorry, Luka. From now on, I will not let you stand alone again. Is your mom coming today? Probably not. Go, Luka! Go, big brother! Mom?
I'm here, Luka!
That was amazing, Luka! That was amazing, Luka. Luka, you played so well. I am proud of you.
You never came before. Why did you come today?
Because I should have come many times before. Luka, can I talk to you?
Okay.
I found your box. I saw your chess medal, your football certificate, your reading prize, and your drawings.
I didn't think you would see them.
I also read the pages you threw away. I know you waited for me many times.
I didn't want to make you sad.
No, Luka, you did not make me sad. I am sad because I did not see your pain sooner.
I just wanted you to come. When I won a prize, I always looked around for you.
Luka, I am sorry. I missed too many important moments in your life.
I just wanted you to be there.
I know. From now on, I will listen to you, see you, and be there for you.
Do you promise?
I promise, Luka. And I will show you with my actions.
In a family, every child needs love. No child should feel more important than another child. No child should feel alone or forgotten. Even small, unfair actions can hurt a child's heart. Parents should listen, care, and love each child in the same way.